Hi, I'm Ian. I'm an English teacher. So if you are watching this video, I think you are beginners, right? If you are beginners, then just remember this thing, just one thing. When you speak, when you listen, when you study, just study with easy stuffs. Do not study hard one, because you can speak with only easy words that, like I am doing right now, I speak with easy words only, right? You can make a conversation, you can have a conversation with only easy words. But when I saw beginners, when they first started to study English, they don't know what to study, so they just study everything. But trust me, there is a step, and when you think you don't know, just don't study. Just say and use and listen with only the things that you know, only with the knowledge that you have. Then you can speak, you can talk, you can listen, you can read, because we already have learned everything in school. And with that words, that vocabulary, you can already speak, you can already listen. Okay? Remember, you are not a native speaker, you are just a beginner, and study only the easy ones, use only easy words, listen with only easy English. Okay? Yeah, that's it. I hope I can see you guys in expert level. Thank you for watching.